Happy New Year! It's Jill with Big Red, back in 2020 with my ever entertaining videos, and also some really awesome wine deals. I'm pretty excited about these two wines. This is going to be a twofer, so you have to get both of them. You can't get one or the other. It's a twofer. So we have the La Moneda Malbec Reserva and the Red Blend. The Malbec Reserva actually has a little bit of a story. These are from Chile, and they were contracted by the Walton family for a grocery store chain that they own in the UK. And Decanter happened to get their hands on it and gave it a score of 95 points. This just caused a huge ruckus, and everybody wanted the La Moneda Malbec Reserva, but they couldn't get it because it was only being sold to the Walmart of the UK, and there's a lot of laws involved. So anyway, no one could get it, but everybody wanted the $95.7 one. Well, they decided that it was such a big hit, in the 2015 version, that they were going to, obviously keep going with that, as you would, and they decided to add a red blend to it as well. These are not actually supposed to be here. I think that was ordered an accident. So, someone's mistake is our treasure. So we have the Malbec and the red blend. Very exciting. You're like, how good can this possibly be? And I also thought that. I'm like, oh, these better be good because, well, I don't like to sell bad wine. But I was very pleasantly surprised by these. The Malbec is a little bit lighter than you would expect. It has all the great plummy notes that that are varietally correct for Malbec. Really bright, some red plums, some cherries. It's, like I said, lighter, but just really pleasant to drink. This is actually a really great party wine, and I would pay $5 for it for sure. Actually, I'd probably pay up to $10 for it. That's how good that is. And then we also have the red blend. I haven't found any information as to what is in said red blend, but I'm suspecting that being from Chile, it has some Cabernet in it, probably some Malbec, probably some Merlot as well. I don't get a lot of that green Carmenere aromas in the nose. But it actually smells pretty ripe, and that has like some fun kind of candied fruit at the end, kind of like those like cherry gummy things, but like in a good way. It's got a little bit of tannin to it as well. Wow, these are both rather surprising for me. So I am really excited to offer you, they're normally $7 each, but we're going to go for the two for $10. Like I said, you can't mix and match, and you just got to get the whole thing. It actually comes in this cool gift box, so in case you didn't get someone a gift for the holidays, you can always give them a New Year's gift of wine. Anyway, so reserve these today. We do have a limited amount, and these are just a really great value, especially if you're trying to be more fiscally responsible in January, as we all try to do new things in the new year. This would be a really great way to get some really nice wine for very little money. So anyway, Happy New Year, Happy 2020, and cheers to you.